And now it's become a place for everybody to be. That was the whole intent, was you can garden next to, somebody who's your instructor, your professor in your math class, and learn, so many different things from people. Or you can be a student organization, and it's a time that you can come together and collaborate and just, enjoy each other's company outside and learn about healthy eating.
Just to get out, just to get some active work, and also to get back to our community, which is Savannah State and Savannah, Georgia, but Savannah State mainly, and just to grow our own vegetables and herbs and fruits and stuff,
And also, I like students to learn. I always give students a research project. You go here, try to understand what kind of plant. So they know, are these plants popular in the United States or not in the United States? And hopefully students can understand other cultures.
I personally think that a community such as Savannah State needs to have this type of interaction because saying we're one SSU is a lovely motto, but doing something together is really much more meaningful. Being able to say that those long beans are ornamental, but you can eat them, that there's lemongrass. I have lemongrass, you have mint. You take some of this, some of that, loofahs for sponges, and being able to barter and exchange and learn about different kinds of plants. It just enriches and engages on a level that's much more meaningful.
Leaves are going to turn into, yellow flowers are going to turn into cucumber.
So what's it like for you to actually see this actually coming to fruition?
Oh my gosh, that's the exciting part of it. When you sit there and your labor of love of tilling the ground, planting the plants, and then seeing it come to the fruit or the veggie and being able to harvest it is amazing. It really is. I get lost out here. Sometimes I'm out here for 3 hours and don't even realize it because it's so stress-free, and you just get caught into putting your hands in the dirt. Mother Earth is nothing like it.